I think that's a few cylinders short of a V6, everybody. All right, here we are. We just got a $500 Audi at an auction. She's a bit rough, around the edges especially, but I think I see a champion in here through all of the misfires. More specifically, it's an Audi A6 Quattro. And I don't know if you guys heard that, but that sounded bad. Oh, 500 bucks. It's 500 bucks. But we should be able to come here and boop and check this beautiful beast of a 3.2 liter V6 out. Now, while I was driving it, I noticed that it was saying something about low coolant. That's not mine, but I'm keeping it. Does look okay. Yeah, camera's picking that up. Okay, we've got some kind of smoke coming from this way. Interesting. I forgot I had a freaking DJI wireless microphone, so the audio might have changed, but my sense of humor and my heart haven't. So one thing I did notice about this car is I was going through, and all over the place, in the front seat, in the back seat, in the trunk, and underneath the engine, on a cross member, they've got coil packs just everywhere. I guarantee you, if I open up this right here, bam, there you go. Box or two of them. So my question is, what was wrong with these? None of them look like terribly bad. I mean, got a fuse box here already opened up. I didn't do this. So I'm assuming I should probably get my voltmeter and go through each one of those points and make sure that we don't have any blown fuses. If anybody knows what this is, let me know in the comments, because I'm confused and I don't like it. It looks like we do have a bundle of wires. So we had a sound system in here that they were nice enough to completely gut for me before they sold it. That's okay, we're not gonna complain. 500 bucks, right? Let's see what we got in door number 3. Okay, here's where the mystery thickened, right? All right, we've got, oh, that's never a good sign, people. Got a head gasket, got pulley, nasty pulley, and, ooh, yep. That is a familiar shape for so many of us, but it's not in the car is the problem. So got this. Oh wait, we'll be able to reattach that, no problem. The reason that I wanted to point out the coils so desperately is I actually pulled what they call in the industry a pro move. And I took this car to AutoZone. And at AutoZone, they print you out this nice little report, and it says, look at ignition coil. Funny thing is, we have individual coils. Maybe there's a master coil somewhere on here. I'm gonna have to Google it. But in the meantime, oh, hang on, wait a minute. I'm seeing a lot of wet here. That guy right there, okay. What is that? What is that? So, I think I figured out where I'm losing coolant. Wait a minute. Okay, guys, theory. They thought there was a blown head gasket because they were smelling burnt coolant and something was going funky and there was like coolant all over here, right? What if it was that little guy the entire time spewing coolant, making them think there was a blown head gasket? Maybe I don't have to do a head gasket. That would be great. If I could avoid doing a head gasket on this, that would be fantastic, actually. Okay, so we've got her started. We're maintaining a good idle. We're looking at the temperature and pretending it doesn't exist. And let's go to the back, see what our exhaust sounds like, huh? I think that's a few cylinders short of a V6, everybody. Not great. Let's see what our top end sounds like, huh? All right, she's a little clicky. There's a little bit of a click to that. Let's shut her down. All right, so for those of you interested, I have all of the codes here, and starting from the top, we've got P0303, and that's supposed to be a misfire in cylinder 3, another 0303, a 0366, which, oh, here we go. P0366 camshaft position sensor G300 implausible signal. So my car is a mythbuster. Great. Okay. We've also got camshaft position sensor performance bank 1 sensor 2 only for the VW Roton. Okay. P0301 cylinder misfire 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, and a P0300 random or multiple misfires detected. That camshaft position sensor, that would cause a lot of problems inside the engine if that's out. That's interesting. So our secondary DTCs are P0366, which is a camshaft position sensor G300 implausible signal. Camshaft position sensor performance, right. We've got code, this is for ABS, 00526-011 brake light switch open circuit. That would explain why my brake lights aren't working. We've got 01314-013, which is an engine control, hey, stop it, wind. I just want to read this. We've got 013140113. That is the ECM. Please read DTC. So I'm gonna have to do some deep diving into that one, I guess. We've got 01826-000 steering angle sensor G85, voltage supply terminal 30. Maybe they can print me one in English next time. 00532-002 supply voltage is lower limit not reached. Wait, supply voltage lower limit not reached. Okay, that's weird. ABS pump voltage supply and electronic parking brake control module implausible signal. So, okay, that actually answers a lot of my questions that I had. I think I'm feeling a lot more confident about getting this thing back up and on its feet. All right, that wraps up episode 1. We have a $500 Audi. See you in the next episode where we poke a dead thing with a stick. I don't know what you want from me. Bye.